Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clash Royale app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you just keep going down here and you're looking for apps, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop. So here can you search here for Clash Royale app or just click on search. Then here add Clash Royale app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then it's going to show for you this like this, click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.